The Enchanted Crown. In the kingdom of Etherea, nestled amidst rolling hills and picturesque landscapes, there stood a majestic castle with towering turrets and shimmering spires. Within the castle, an ancient prophecy foretold of a magical crown that possessed the power to bring prosperity and harmony to the land. This crown was said to be hidden deep within the Enchanted Forest, guarded by mystical creatures. Princess Isabella, the youngest daughter of King Edward and Queen Amelia, was a spirited and adventurous soul. She had always been fascinated by the tales of the Enchanted Crown. One night, as the stars painted the sky with their twinkling brilliance, Isabella dreamt of the crown whispering her name, calling her to embark on a quest to claim it. The following morning, filled with excitement and determination, Isabella shared her dream with her siblings, Prince Alexander and Princess Sophia. They decided to join her on the quest, for they knew that only by combining their unique strengths could they overcome the challenges ahead. Gathering supplies and bidding farewell to their parents, the three royal siblings set forth on their grand adventure. Their journey took them through dense forests, across sparkling rivers, and over rugged mountains. Along the way, they encountered friendly fairies, wise talking animals, and mischievous elves who tested their bravery and wit. As they approached the heart of the Enchanted Forest, a daunting task awaited them, the Crystal Maze. This maze was known for its ever-changing paths, and only those with true courage and determination could navigate it successfully. Each sibling took a different path, and their bond of love and trust guided them through the maze's twisting turns until they reunited at the center. There, they were met by the guardian of the Enchanted Crown, a wise and ancient owl named Orion. Orion had been watching over the crown for centuries, waiting for the true heirs to come forth. He explained that only those who had pure intentions, a strong bond with their hearts, and a deep love for their kingdom could claim the crown's power. With reverence, Princess Isabella, Prince Alexander, and Princess Sophia approached the crown, which sat atop a pedestal adorned with radiant gemstones. As they reached out to touch it simultaneously, a surge of energy filled the air, and the crown levitated gently, fitting itself perfectly on their heads, forming a three-tiered crown that symbolized unity and balance. With the Enchanted Crown now in their possession, a burst of magic flowed through their bodies, connecting them to the very essence of Etherea. The skies brightened, and the kingdom flourished as never before. The rivers ran clear, the crops bloomed abundantly, and laughter filled the air. But the power of the Enchanted Crown also attracted the attention of an envious sorceress named Morgana. She had long desired the crown's power for herself, and she devised a cunning plan to steal it from the royal siblings. Morgana cast a powerful spell, causing a thick fog to descend upon the kingdom, shrouding everything in darkness. She hoped to confuse and divide the siblings, weakening their connection to the crown and to each other. In the face of the unexpected challenge, Isabella, Alexander, and Sophia realized the true strength of their bond. They held hands and, with unwavering trust, relied on their love and shared memories to dispel the fog's illusion. Their unity prevailed, and the fog lifted, revealing Morgana's true intentions. Furious that her plan had failed, Morgana conjured a monstrous creature to defeat the siblings. But with the power of the Enchanted Crown coursing through them, they fought courageously, using their newfound abilities to protect the kingdom and all they held dear. In the final battle, it was Isabella's determination, Alexander's bravery, and Sophia's wisdom that led them to victory. Together, they banished Morgana, sealing her away in a place where her malevolent magic could cause no harm. The kingdom of Etherea rejoiced, celebrating the bravery and unity of their young royals. The Enchanted Crown became a symbol of hope and inspiration, reminding all that the power of love, trust, and unity could overcome any darkness. And so, Princess Isabella, Prince Alexander, and Princess Sophia ruled the kingdom as one, their hearts forever connected by the magical bond of the Enchanted Crown. Etherea prospered under their wise and compassionate rule, and the memory of their grand adventure was passed down through generations, becoming a beloved tale of bravery, family, and the enduring power of love. Enjoyed the story? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community for more amazing content like this.